When Nina Carberry became Fine Gael's celebrity candidate for the European elections, she was heavily backed by a previous high-profile MEP. European commissioners have tended to stay out of domestic party politics, but Mairéad McGuinness adopted an extremely partisan stance with her involvement in the Fine Gael campaign. Letters obtained by the Irish Independent show she got clearance from her mentor Ursula von der Leyen for modest and limited political activity for Fine Gael before last year's European elections, including speaking at party conventions and the Ardèche. But McGuinness also proceeded to actively canvass for the party, make a candidate endorsement video and attend a rally, all of which she didn't mention. Her modest and limited activity included canvassing with Carberry, Simon Harris, Leo Varadkar and Helen McEntee at a race meeting, popping up again with Carberry at an agricultural show and campaigning with Carberry in Cavan and Monaghan wearing a Vote One Nina blue jacket. The then Commissioner then filmed a campaign video endorsing Carberry and addressed a rally in the closing days of the election. The Fine Gael presidential candidate did tell the European Commission President of her political activity and insists she acted within the guidelines for commissioners.
And I think what's really important, and you know this as a candidate, Europe matters to Ireland. Yes. So it's important to send strong people to Europe, which is why I am fully endorsing you. I want everyone to give you their number one vote. This is a crucial election.